Okay, welcome back. So listen here, what they say is about the office. They're having 800 workers. Okay, so they're having 800 workers, and there will be of female as well as male also. They are the ratio of 5:3. So they're having 800, and the ratio of female and male is 5:3. Is that right? So simply blink your and close your eyes. You can say total number of females are 500 and total number of males are 300, because y means what, if you add these things you will get the 800. Don't need to go for any formula, it's simple shortcut. Okay, so the workers speak both Tamil, Telugu, Tamil also, Telugu also, or both the languages also. 12% of the males speak only Tamil, 22% of females speak only Telugu, and 24 of the workers speak only Tamil. And number of males, it's very important, speaking both languages or 6 times. That means into 6 times. Now the number of males speaking only Tamil. Okay, so we can look about one by one. Okay, no issues. So what I just say means, the first one, the males who speak only in Tamil. Okay, so the males who speak only Tamil. Okay, so I just go for only Tamil. So how many members? The total members are 300. So 300 males available. So how many percentage? Only 12 males. 12%. 12% means what? 12 divided by 100. So that is 0.12. Is it right? So it will be having 36. Because if I just do cancel, you get 36. Okay, and then the workers. So number of workers. Okay, it just got a males, and here number of workers who speak only Tamil. Okay, so males, is it right? 300. So total number of workers are 800. Is it right? Into how many members available? 24. So 22% available. Is it right? So that means sorry. So 24 members here. Listen here. 24% of the total speak only Tamil. Now we are going for Tamil taking only. Okay. So that is called what? 24 divided by 100. So if we get a cancellation, so automatically you'll get 192. It's very simple question. Okay. Don't get panic. And now we go for the females. Okay. So number of females who speak only Tamil. Okay. Who speak only Tamil. How many females are available? So 500 females are available. And how many members are speaking only Tamil? So you look about here. So you'll get the answer as. So you have to eliminate this one. Is it right? So totally. So you want to get. I'm sorry. So no need to go by this way. So number of workers 182 totally speak only Tamil. So there, if you eliminate number of males who speak only Tamil means 36. Is it right? So automatically, if you make a neglection, minus means you'll get 156. Okay. So number of females talk only Tamil is 156. So now listen here, number of females talk only in Telugu. So now we go for the Telugu. So Telugu, how many members? So listen over here. So 22% of the female speaks only Telugu. Okay. So 22% means what? So how many females available? 500 into 0.22. So we'll get 110. Is that right? And now next one, and number of males. Okay. And you got number of males speaking both. So this way go means it will be more easy. Speaking both languages. What they are given. We go by one. So numbers, because 24 we have to come. So 24 already completed. Is it right? So 12 we have already completed. And then a 22 also we have now completed here. Is it right? Now I got the next step. So 24 already completed. So number of males who speak both languages 6 times. So how many members are speaking both languages? They are speaking 6 times. The number of speaking only the Tamil. Okay. So 6 times means you get 36 into 6. So members who speak in Tamil, and if you are making multiplication by 6 means you will get a number of males speaking both the languages. Do you understand? Already who are speaking Tamil only is 36. And if you multiply there 6 times. 6 times if you are multiplying. 6 times means what? It's multiply by 6 only. If you do multiply means you will get the males speaking both Tamil as well as Telugu. So it is our 216. Okay. And now we are going to go for the females. So number of females, it's very simple, speak both languages. Okay, what is this? It will be very simple. So how many females? 500 available. How many males you have to make elimination? 216. And then how many members who speak both is 110. Okay, because 110 to eliminate, because females who are speaking in Telugu you have to eliminate, and you want to eliminate the males who are speaking. So it's about 216. Hey, just listen. Please, I'm sorry. So here you have to get 156. So how means 500 females available? Both languages, right? So you have to eliminate female stock only Tamil, 156. That's it. Female stock only Telugu, 110. So okay, now we just got this one. So if you get all these things, you will get 264. Is it right? So 500 minus 256 means 264. Okay, that's right. And then next I just go for the next level. So how many members available? Number of workers. Now we got the number of workers who speak. Number of workers speak both. Number of workers who speak both languages. Okay, so number of speakers both languages. That means what workers means you will get male as well as female. It's very easy. Okay. So how many female? Both number of both. Listen here. Male how many members? 216. Female both. Just now I completed. Right, 264. So you will get 216 plus 264, and you will get very simplest 450. Is it right? So sorry, 234. Is it right? Just a moment, please. 234 plus. So here, what I do? 156. This is. I'm sorry about this one. Okay. 234 is it right? Okay, small mistake. 234 is available here because the link is 266. So this not 64, 34. So you'll get 450. Okay, so I just got sorry. And next is about number of speakers speaking. So total number of workers. Okay, number of workers speaking only Tamil. Already you know 192. Is it right? Now totally 450. Now what the question means? How many workers speak only in Telugu? So we have to eliminate the all minus Tamil. Okay. So all how much? So total number of workers 800. Okay. And minus number of workers who speak both the languages 450. You have to tell me because both means what? They know Tamil as well as Telugu because their question is about only Telugu. And number of workers speak only Tamil means what? 192. If you eliminate means what? Automatically if you do the calculation and you will get surely 158. Is it right? 158 is available. And number of workers. So here what do you do? Number of workers who speak only Telugu. So number of workers finally. So number of workers who speak only Telugu. Okay. Only Telugu is about very simple 158 plus 450. Okay. So element is to understand clearly. 800 minus 450 minus 180 will get 158. Okay. So both languages you have to complete this one. So you will get totally 608. It will be the answer. So tick the option of 608. Thank you. If you feel any other different or any other problematic, please comment in comment box.